Everyone, the new year is coming to an end. In the next few days, I will let Dekai share more delicious food from the big restaurant. Today, I will share about stir-fried sea snail. Fresh sea snail shells are sliced by the only female chef in our kitchen. Let's see if this knife skill will not be as good as water in 8 or 10 years. The female chef said that you should pay attention to the posture when you slice the sea snail. Do not cut it into pieces. After slicing, put it in a bowl. Hang the chopping board clean. Then cut some garlic slices. Put it in a bowl. Prepare the pepper. Add some red pepper to match the color. Add some white vinegar. Next, let's see how the chef in our hotel operates. First, the chef added a little white vinegar to the sea snail. Powered by Dubverse. Add a little salt. Powered by Dubverse. Powered by Dubverse. Remove the fishy smell of the sea snail. Rinse it clean with water. Add white vinegar. Next, blanch it. The chef said that it only takes 1 second to put in the pot. Pour it out immediately, otherwise the taste of the sea snail will be too strong. Rinse it with cold water. Next, heat the oil in the pot to 50 heat. Pour it out. The chef said that this can make the sea snail more crispy. Pour the oil into the ingredients. The chef said that the ingredients must be fragrant. Add salt. Add some Maggi soy sauce. Add sugar to make it fresh. Next, put the sea snail slices in. Put it in directly and add a little water to thicken it. Start to stir-fry. Finally, pour in the prepared oil. It is fragrant and bright. Stir-fry it a few times. The video ends here. What do you think of the stir-fried sea snail? Does it suit your taste? Hurry up to like, comment, and pay attention. I will share more delicious food with you in the future. Do it now. Thank you for watching.